Did you know that the secret to youthful skin be hiding in your kitchen? Discover how a DIY anti-aging face mask can transform your skin at home. As we age, our skin goes through various changes, becoming drier, duller, and more prone to fine lines and wrinkles. Many people turn to expensive creams and treatments in hopes of recapturing that youthful glow, only to be disappointed by lackluster results. The truth is, you don't need to spend a fortune on skincare to achieve flawless skin. The solution lies in nature, and a simple DIY anti-aging face mask can do wonders for rejuvenating your complexion. The problem: aging skin needs extra TLC. Mature skin often loses elasticity and moisture, making it vital to nourish and hydrate it from both the inside and out. Commercial masks can contain harsh chemicals that might irritate sensitive skin, which is why crafting your own mask with natural ingredients allows you to take control of your skincare. Not only do these ingredients provide essential nutrients, but they can also be tailored to your skin's unique needs. Solution: DIY anti-aging face mask for radiant skin. This easy, effective face mask recipe utilizes ingredients that you probably already have at home. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, it's perfect for restoring your skin's natural glow. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, a natural moisturizer that soothes and hydrates while providing antibacterial benefits. 1 tablespoon of mashed avocado, rich in healthy fats and vitamins E and C. Avocado nourishes and helps plump the skin. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the complexion. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice acts as a natural astringent, helping to reduce dark spots and even skin tone. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix the honey, mashed avocado, yogurt, and lemon juice until smooth. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic. Rinse off with warm water and gently pat your face dry. Why this mask works: honey hydrates and creates a protective barrier on the skin. Avocado provides deep nourishment and promotes elasticity. Yogurt exfoliates gently while boosting radiance. Lemon juice helps brighten and reduce the appearance of age spots. Final thoughts: creating your own anti-aging face mask is not only fun and rewarding, but also an effective way to pamper your skin with natural goodness. Incorporating this DIY mask into your skincare routine just once a week can lead to smoother, healthier, and more radiant skin. So why not indulge in a little self-care? Your skin will thank you for it.